Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton, owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Services and your KSC Bidding Consultant and owner of the KSC Building. Y'all, usually I feel so happy when payroll is made. It's made. I got enough money. Still got late invoices, big ones. But I'm just so grateful when I seen the payments coming in. All I could do is just bend over and just like feel it. Like, oh, Lord, thank you. That is the worst feeling, y'all. You know, wondering if you're going to make payroll. And not because you did nothing with the money, because you ain't get the money yet. Tell you, this is the worst part of the whole business. This is the worst part of the whole business, is making payroll, having the money to make payroll, and especially if you got payroll every 2 weeks like I did. Except for my contractors are 30 days. But I'm going to tell you, all I could do is just bend over and feel it, like gratitude. Sometimes it makes you don't want to go after business, because if you're getting clients that's late, or if your big clients are late, it's the worst. Like, it's the worst, because your big clients have the highest expense. They have the highest expense. I got people here 5 days a week from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. each day. I broke it up. 3 people. I broke it up so that the building's covered all day. They overlap each other for a period, and then, you know, they start off by themselves or they end by themselves. But it works, and they love it. But and I know they're gonna get on track, so I'm not gonna stress. I'm just thank God that I was able to make my payroll until they get this situation in order. The more I'm talking to y'all, I'm starting to get a better relief. I'm actually right now on my way to my brother's to take him his check. But yeah, such a good feeling. Alright, I just wanted to just give y'all that there update. I mean, I got some of the late payments, but not all of it. So, alright, y'all. I hope you're making your payroll. Talk to you later. You know what I was thinking? Well, I'm still feeling some kind of way about losing my Pittsburgh Pirates account. But since then, because that was my son's, one of his biggest account jobs, right? So since I've lost that, you know, they all lost money. Well, he has really stepped it up and doing some. I've been training him on some other sites, like we did 2 today. Trained him earlier over the weekend at the field house. So I don't know, he's starting to see he got hustle. So I guess that's a good thing. It for me, it is a good thing, because I see the motivation. I see him doing what I've taught him all his years. He's 21. You look at his room or his bathroom, you thought I didn't train him nothing. But when I see him work, I'm proud. I'm proud. And I always say, if somebody on my team don't know how to clean a bathroom, that's a problem. Well, I know he know how to clean a bathroom. So, I just wanted to just share that with y'all. Yeah, in my hospital project, we go back on Monday. So, and I still haven't got paid from the first time we went from that one yet. All right, y'all. Let me go in the office and get some work done.